What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you're all having a good day. Okay, welcome to part 2 of the air filter versus the K&N high flow air filter. Okay, so yeah, we've just installed the K&N filter. This is the standard one for a Holden Commodore 2002 model. It's actually not too bad. Like, it's a little bit dirty, but not as bad as what I thought it would be. But yeah, it's actually a stock one. I've just installed the K&N in one. So I think it comes with stickers. Oh, it does too. Yep. Well, I haven't put that on top of it yet, but yeah, I've just installed it. Let's just test it out and see if there's see what sound difference we can get. Alright. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, there you have it, guys. That's the K&N air filter then. It's yeah, you got a little bit more different noise compared to the stock. It's not overly, yeah. Yeah, it gives that little more growl. I did hear a little bit more growl, but it's not amazing. So the next video we're going to do is because K&N they claim they give you more HP, horsepower. So I'm going to do a little next video I'll do a little 0 to 100 and see if there's any difference at all to the stock filter to the K&N filter. I don't think there will be, to be honest. I think they'll be about the same. Maybe, I don't know. I reckon they'll be about the same times, roughly 0 to 100. But there's definitely a little bit more sound difference when you give it a bit of revs, as you guys heard. It gives you that little growl. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Holden Commodore stock system versus the K&N air filter system. So I hope you liked it. Like, comment, or subscribe to this channel. I hope you all have an awesome day. Or night, wherever you are. Peace out, guys.